Dough Maker latest model AE390 high top. It is also called high top model of 3.5 kg capacity, being checked for Daraz order. This is the shipping label. 20th August 2024. It comes with a plastic blade, a metal blade which is installed inside, a measuring flask, and an instruction manual. The machine is okay from all the sides. We will show you from the bottom also. There you can see it is okay. And now we will start the machine. The machine has started. You can see its noise is quite low as compared to other machines. Then we pack it in its genuine box, which has a thermopore at the bottom, a thermopore at the top. Then we pack it in this brown sheet, finally in bubble wrap, and apply fragile stickers on top. The machine automatically stops when the timer comes to the off position. It easily makes dough within 5 minutes. You can see the machine will automatically stop. There you can see the machine has stopped. It is perfectly okay, and now we will pack it for Daraz. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video if you really like it. If you have any comments or questions, you can do that comments on the video and we will respond to you. Orion Engineering Company, Karachi.